Welcome to Physinews Media Official Video. So, if this is the first time you've seen my video, please subscribe. So it is absolutely free to subscribe, so that anytime I release an update, you'll be able to get it ASAP. Please subscribe. It's very important to appreciate my work and to appreciate my research and to give me more vibe and more energy to make more research. So as you subscribe, God bless. So let's dive into the video. So let's go. Just subscribe, please. Subscribe. So let's go. So the airdrop I'm about to introduce to everyone is called Lio, LIO. This Lio is not it's not airdrop. You can just mine and just get rid of. It is a very scarce mining airdrop. You can see here. Invite your friend and earn Lio. You get 2+ Lio every 6 hours. You can see it's very scarce. And the listing is 2026, which is Q2 2026. As you can see here, you can see these 2 Lio every 6 hours. So that means 6 hours you have 2 Lio. So in 12 hours you have 4 Lio. Then let's say you want to, in the next 24 hours, so you have 48 Lio coin. So if I'm not mistaken, yeah, no, 12, yeah, 12. So you can see the listing is 2026, which is next year, Q2 2026. And the good things about this Lio is that it doesn't they have their own wallet. So if you head down to this wallet, their wallet here, if you head down there, you can see that the address is very special. So let me review my own address. You can see it is a network on its own. It's a network. You know, when we mine PI has its own wallet address. We start with G. So Solana start with 8 and other numbers. TRC20 start with T, that is Tetra. Then Binance start with B. So this Lio starts, you can see Lio in his wallet. So the wallet is a customized wallet, that is a network on its own. So if you are not mining Lio, please, this is the early stage to start mining. As you know me, you know that I can't just release an airdrop without me following up. At the time of listing, I will also come to the channel and announce the price. I also come how you can swap it and cash out from it. I also bring it to this channel and expose how you can do that. So check the description of this video. I dropped the link. Just check the description. I dropped the link to follow up. Once you click on that link, then you'll be able to register, download and install, then you start mining right away. If you want to make your mining fast, just head down to, after you start mining, just head down to this icon here. This is that icon here. So you click on it, then you see reduce now. Reduce your remaining Lio section time by 50%. This boost can be used once per section. For instance, I'm having 6 hours here. So if I should click reduce, it will boost my mining. This boost here. So let's say I click on the reduce. You see that it increased. You can see my mining rate per hour is 0.0 So before it was 0.167. You can see it is 0.333 per hour. So me checking before it was 6 hours. So checking now it reduced to 3 hours to make it faster. And check my old video. I dropped an airdrop called TokCoin. Please don't joke with TokCoin. Don't joke with TokCoin. TokCoin only has 8 million maximum supply, which I showed on the video. The KYC will start by next year, January. That is January 1. That is when you will be able to do the KYC. So coin that has low supply always has an as in it has a high price in startup. Who knows? Token might be mightier than Bitcoin, because they only have the maximum supply of 8. This is Token. Check my old video. I drop link on how you can get started, how you can start mining this token. Don't miss out. I'll be dropping important airdrop here on this channel. Please, that is the main reason why you have to subscribe. So you subscribe, you won't miss out. You'll be able to mine your coin, and you'll be able to get updates on the coin you mine. So please check the description of this video and start mining Lio. And check my other video. I dropped a description on how you can start mining TokCoin. So let me show you their supply to confirm what I'm saying here. You can see the maximum supply here. You can see 8 million token. Imagine having 8 million maximum supply. Imagine the price. How much would be one of this coin? So check my old video. I drop, or you can search. Don't need to search. Just check my old video. You see the token, and then you can follow the link there and start mining. So let's head back to Lio. So please check the description of this video to start mining Lio token. And please don't forget to check your daily streak. Your daily streak make you boost your it boosts your token. So once you check your daily streak, you can see it has this thing. If you mine for you are active for 5 days, you'll be able to get 10 Lio coin free. If you mine for 10 days, you'll be able to get 50. If you mine for 20 days, you'll be able to get 80. If you mine for 30 days, you'll be able to get 100. That's how it is. I've been mining this for over 170 plus days. You can see my streak here. This is 174 days. You can see. So I will implore everybody to take it serious, so that don't miss a day, so that your streak will count for you. Please start mining TokCoin. Sorry. Thanks for watching that video. Thanks very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, and if you find the video helpful, please feel free to share to family and friends. So very soon I'll be releasing some video of legit airdrop, and me releasing the airdrop. I'll be releasing the update on each airdrop. That's just the advantage. Only what you need is just for you to subscribe, so that we can make more money on these crypto worlds. So you can know the latest airdrop in town, when they'll be listing, and how you'll be able to swap it. So that is the reason why you have to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. It doesn't take anything. And it doesn't suck. It doesn't even take anything. It's free, just for you to be notified if I release a video. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you. See you on my next video.